Today I'm taking a look at the VEVOR Earmuffs. So we do have a 3.5 audio jack, so we can connect this to our phone or something like that. If we have USB-C on our phone, which you probably do by now, we do have adapters that will connect from a 3.5 TRS to USB-C. And that is what this is, TRS. This is not TRRS because it is 3 contacts. It does come with a carrying pouch. And here are the earmuffs. So I do like that that can collapse up into a nice small package, so we can easily fit that into our go bag. We have a nice soft material here for the earmuffs, and we can see we have cables that go from one side to the other. That's because these are active earmuffs. So this is designed specifically for ear protection, but it does have microphones, and that is going to allow it to pick up outside sound, so you can still hear what's going on even with the earmuffs on. We got a power button, we got our on-off switch, and that is also our volume, and you can hear that. It does have a click on it, so you can tell when that is on and off. On the same side, we got our port for the 3.5 jack, and it appears to have a nice rubbery kind of protection on the outside. We do have some cushion material on the top, so let's just see how it feels. Yeah, I have a large head, and this is very comfortable for my head. So on the top, these are labeled left and right. So on the right side, we have got our compartment for our battery, and that is going to use 2 AAA batteries. Test, 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 test. Yeah, so I can definitely hear everything on the outside while I've got these things on. I can almost hear a little bit more than I can normally hear with my general ears, which is kind of nice, kind of scary too at the same time. But if I turn the volume down, you can really notice a big difference in the change in the sound that you can hear. What I'll do now, I'm going to put the microphone inside of here. It's worth keeping in mind. Trying to do something like this is never going to sound as good as if you were to just put this right up to your ears, going from a speaker to a microphone, especially something that's kind of wobbling around on the inside. But this will at least give you an idea of what you can hear. So I'm going to keep on talking, turning the volume down. Test, 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 test. Now it is off. Test, 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 test. And we are bringing the volume back up. Test, test, test. We are back at full volume. Let's hit Bluetooth. And that is showing up as a VEVOR 01. Okay, and now I'm listening to my video through these speakers. Pretty cool. So if you want the benefit of having hearing protection with the capacity to still be able to listen to your music or watch videos or whatever, this is going to be an excellent option for that. So overall, that is some excellent Ear Pro.